Hey guys, it's Lindsey. I'm the creative coordinator here at Bisque Imports, and today we have a really cool project that we're calling the Heirloom Stein. So this is a newer piece that we got in. It's called the Des Stein, and it's painted with Terra Bella glazes, which are awesome. Layering them can create different kind of colors and patterns. You get a really cool high-fired look at firing at, cone 06, which is another plus. Now, Terra Bella glazes can come out a little different each time, so the sample that you make might not look exactly like this because the Terra Bella glazes, there are some reactive ones in there. So it's always going to be a fun little surprise to see what comes out of the kiln, but the colors, it'll be similar, just not exact. So here are the supplies that you're going to need to create this project. Okay, let's get started. All right, so here we are, guys. It's gonna turn out awesome. Beautiful colors and fun patterns in here. Don't forget to check out bisqueimports.com for a bunch of amazing products, and I'll see you next time.